Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ashwagandha Gold Capsule, updated. Take 1 capsule daily with food, ideally morning or evening depending on tolerance and lifestyle, and avoid taking it on an empty stomach. Begin with a lower dose to assess sensitivity, then follow the product label or practitioner guidance. If you are on medication, consult your healthcare provider before starting and monitor for changes over 2 to 4 weeks. Timing matters with Ashwagandha Gold Capsule, and a simple routine helps you see results. Take doses with a meal to improve absorption and reduce tummy upset. For sleep support, take a capsule 30 to 60 minutes before bed to allow effects to settle in. Always start low and increase gradually only if tolerated, and document sleep, mood, and energy to evaluate benefit after several weeks. Quick recommendation and a quick ask. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides. On another note, a book I often recommend can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with taking small, consistent steps like daily capsule habits. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Now let's get back to the video. Ashwagandha Gold Capsule is generally well tolerated, but requires care when combined with other substances. Do not mix it with strong sedatives, thyroid medications, or immunosuppressants without talking to your clinician. Pregnant or breastfeeding people should avoid use unless cleared by their healthcare team. If you experience worrying symptoms such as severe dizziness, allergic reactions, or marked fatigue, stop taking it and seek medical advice promptly for proper evaluation and next steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.